Optical Network Video Technologies, Shenzhen Company Limited, was founded in 2003 and is located in China. As a high-tech enterprise, ONV specializes in product research, R&D, manufacturing, sales, and technical support of PoE products and optical telecommunication products. ONV has complete production equipment, including SMT lines, assembling lines, aging testing lines, wave soldering lines, and packing lines. ONV has established a quality management system and meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. Our products are subject to strict quality control, from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. Our company's products are sold worldwide. We have won the unanimous recognition and praise of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. Our company is constantly improving its innovation capabilities and constantly introducing new products based on market and customer needs. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. We also welcome orders from ODM and OEM. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiry.